Crumb Boss, what are you doing?
Playing with ribbons.
Those Christmas ribbons?
Red and green ribbons.
Red and green ribbons. Why are you playing with Christmas ribbons, Crumb Boss?
Because we're playing Christmas in the bakery today.
Ho, ho, ho!
Oh,
Yeah, Rudolph!
and it is a ho.
Look at Rudolph the Redhead. That's a good one.
That was a good one.
Rudolph the Redhead.
That was a good one.
All right, Crumb Boss, what are you going to make?
Today we're making chocolate bark. This is a nice little holiday gift idea. You know, a lot of times for my Christmas gifts that I give out to my friends and family, I go the edible route. And I usually make baskets full of breads and cookies and you name it. And one of the things that I always add to my Christmas basket gift selection is something called chocolate bark. It's called chocolate bark because I think it's supposed to represent like the bark of a tree, like how shards of bark peel off of a tree. So that is very similar in resemblance to what we're going to make. So I have here some white chocolate that's been melted, and I have some dark chocolate that's been melted.
Okay.
And I wanted to just show you guys on this giant 50-pound box.
Yes.
Is the brand that I buy in the bakery. It's called Merkins.
Merkins.
It is a chocolate. It's a dark one, but it's called a confectionary's coating. It's not couverture like what I talk about in some recipes like chocolate mousse. What else? We just made ganache, where that's real chocolate couverture. This is a summer coating. It's also known as a summer coating because you do not have to temper this chocolate. It's wonderful to work with. It is a very good quality. I happen to like the Merkins brand. It really is very user-friendly. So, if you guys want to use real chocolate, go right ahead. You have to temper it, though, because it's not going to solidify properly. So that's why we use this.
Okay.
And I guess we could just go ahead and get started, right?
Yes, so you're going to show them how to make chocolate bark.
Chocolate bark, yeah.
Yes.
Let's do this one first.
Like a tree bark?
Yeah, like you know how the bark of a tree kind of peels off?
Yes.
Well, that's the end result, what it's going to kind of look like.
Cool.
But I do a white chocolate one.
All right.
With cranberries and roasted pistachios, dried cranberries. So there's my white chocolate, and then you want to just pour it out onto a parchment-lined sheet pan, and you want to spread it out, not too thin, but you don't want it too thick either.
No.
So you want to just spread it like that.
Okay.
And then what you're going to do is take your cranberries and your pistachios.
So they're dried?
They're dried cranberries, and then I've taken some pistachios and roasted them lightly in the oven. Very low temperature, like not even 300 degrees is how you roast nuts, because you don't want to burn them.
Yeah, because then everybody goes nuts.
Exactly. So you take that.
Yes.
Better put my glove on here.
Yeah, so we have the dried cranberries and the roasted pistachios.
Right, and then you're just going to take that and you're going to sprinkle it over your chocolate.
Oh, how pretty.
Okay? Just like that.
That looks really pretty.
Yeah,
Crumb
it
Boss.
is really nice. And for Christmas time, too, it's the red and green with the white chocolate. It's real nice.
Perfect.
So there you have that.
Okay, good.
All right, and now we're going to take our, where's my chocolate one?
Right here.
All right, and we're going to do the same thing. But with the chocolate one, I love to use peppermint.
Oh.
So, because, yeah, chocolate and mint,
Yeah,
so good.
it's fabulous.
Yeah,
Absolutely
this is
fabulous.
my favorite one. So
Yeah.
I love
So what kind of
this.
peppermints are you going to use?
Well, I just took some candy canes, and I
Yes.
took some, you know, just like little, this little, whatever they call these, starlight mints, I think.
Suckers.
And this is the way I like to use my,
Okay, we're back to the
back
smashing.
to the smashing,
Back
right?
to the smashing.
Sometimes I'll even pull out my hammer.
Yep, there we go. Yep. You know what you're watching. Okay. You know you're watching Crumb Boss TV when she takes out her
the
stuff.
Hammer.
Oh my God.
Come on, you gotta crush it up.
Yeah.
I've tried to do it in a food processor before.
Yeah.
I just don't get the same result.
No, and
And
also,
this gets my aggressions out.
yeah, there you go. Okay,
All
good.
right,
Perfect.
Just like that.
Absolutely perfect. Sounds good, everybody. Steph's now deaf.
And then you take your... And
Oh,
sprinkle
cool.
it on
Yeah,
the
look
top.
at it. You got all the pieces now.
Yeah, right. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
But in the
totally.
food processor, it doesn't
Oh, it
quite
smells like
have
Christmas.
the same result. In the
Yes.
food processor, it either pulverizes it too much or it just keeps it really chunky. And
Yeah.
All right.
Nice.
There you have that.
All right.
And now you're going to have to let this set
Yes.
a couple minutes, maybe
Okay.
15 minutes.
Yep.
And then what you have
Wow.
is
Voila.
this right here. Let me just grab one more glove.
Okay, he's going to grab one more glove. So then we have this. So you just let this sit for 15 minutes.
Same thing. I let it sit, and look, it comes out in one sheet because it's a hardened chocolate.
Oh, cool.
All right, and then you just take it and you break it up into, you know, just like random pieces like this.
Oh, that's very different.
Yeah, and it's so good. So then what I do is I take my clear party bags that you could get, I order through Wilton.
Yes, okay.
You can also get them at Michael's Crafts. Michael's Craft Store has a lot of things for pastry.
Okay.
And then I just put them into the bags like this.
Yes.
And that's like a little gift for somebody. It's a good stocking stuffer.
Yeah.
You know, I put it into my edible gift baskets that I give out to my friends for Christmas.
Yeah.
Maybe you'll be getting one this year, Steph.
No, I get to make, no, you know what I get to make, everybody? I get to make the gingerbread house.
That's right.
Oh, I made it.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
You are going to make that this year.
I'm making the gingerbread house.
All right,
It's amazing.
little curling ribbon on here gives it a nice...
Gretchen's gingerbread houses are unbelievable. Mine was like...
Here's a gift bag, white chocolate cranberry pistachio bark, everybody.
Exactly, and then you would have the chocolate one with the peppermints.
Yeah, chocolate with the peppermints.
Nice.
You gotta let it set. So
Yeah.
that's about it.
So what do you have to say to everybody?
Christmas extravaganza.